Old footage of the late Ricardo Ricky Makhado has resurfaced online, leaving fans emotional once again. On the 9th of February 2026, a Durban Culture shared a nostalgic clip from his guest appearance on Isibaya, where he played a mandolin. In the viral scene, Ricky confidently walks into Mazungu's house looking for his friend Jabu, played by Balenzi Dladla, and hilariously interacts with the strict Mkabayi Zungu, portrayed by Ntembi Nyandeni. Instead of being intimidated, Ricky's charm and a signature swagger turned the moment into comedy gold. Fans flooded social media with laughter and heartfelt tributes, praising his natural screen presence. Many also remembered his role as Smash on Rhythm City, highlighting his versatility beyond music. Ricky tragically passed away on 23rd of February 2022, and as the clip trends, it serves as a touching reminder of the light and charisma he brought to South African entertainment.